Hello, my dear student. Hope you are quite well. Today we are going to discuss this type of identification problem, basically in organic chemistry, and this type of identification problem are very often asked in your plus two level exam or in different entrance exam after plus two. Okay, so let's start. What happened? What is given here? A mixture of two aromatic compound A and B was separated by dissolving it in CHCl3, that means chloroform, followed by the extraction with aqueous KOH solution. The organic layer containing compound A, when heated with alcoholic solution of KOH, produced a compound C with molecular formula C7H5N associated with an unpleasant odor. The alkaline aqueous layer, on the other hand, when heated with CHCl3 and then acidified, gave a mixture of two isomeric compounds D and E of molecular formula C7H6O2. Identify the compounds A, B, C, D, and E. So, how this type of problems will be solved? So, first, compound A and B. This is the mixture. Both the compound A and B are aromatic. What is given here, to encounter this problem, you should write down the scheme. Both the A and B are aromatic compound. What is given? So, what is going on? So, the mixture of A and B are dissolved in CHCl3 followed by the extraction with aqueous KOH solution. KOH aqueous KOH solution. Okay. So, if the aromatic mixture is treated with CHCl3 and KOH, then it the mixture basically forms the two layer. One is aqueous layer, another is organic layer. So the organic layer and aqueous layer. Another is aqueous layer. So basically, what happened with the organic layer? The organic layer containing the compound A. So the organic layer containing the compound A, and the aqueous layer obviously contains the compound B. So now the organic layer and aqueous layers, that is A and B, are separated. A remains in organic layer and B obviously in aqueous layer. So if A, the mixture already contains CHCl3, so if A is treated with CHCl3 and alcoholic solution of KOH, it gives unpleasant odor. And compound C, the molecular formula of compound C is C7H5N. So we have learned in our previous class, that is a specific example of a named reaction. This is carbyl amine reaction. So what happened in carbyl amine reaction? In carbyl amine reaction, amine is treated with alcoholic OH and chloroform, which gives isocyanide, which has the unpleasant odor. So C basically will be an isocyanide. So C basically will be an isocyanide. So what happened? C should be an isocyanide. So C will be an isocyanide. What we understand? C basically must be an isocyanide. So if C is an isocyanide, so it should have the functional group CN. So molecular formula of C is C7H5N. So among C7H5N, C7H5N, already N and C. are utilized. So remaining part will be C6H5. So C6H5 means this is an aromatic isocyanate. C6H5, because we know that A is an aromatic, so this part will not be hampered. This part of A will not be hampered upon treatment with alcoholic KOH and chloroform. So this part is, this is phenyl isocyanate. You can say isonitrile. You can also say isonitrile. Okay. So if C, it is C. So how C will be formed? So C can be formed upon treatment of C6H5NH2 with CHCl3 and alcoholic KOH. So this is carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. This is carbyl amine reaction. So this should be the molecule of A. So that is C6H5N2 NH2. So this is aniline. This is aniline. It should be A. That is aniline. Now what happened with the B? So B, what is about B? The alkaline aqueous layer, on the other hand, when heated with CHCl3 and then acidified, gives the isomeric compound D and E with the molecular formula C7H6O2. So KOH H3O plus. So it gives the two molecular formula. So as B is also an aromatic, so these two molecule, okay, this is the two isomeric aromatic compound we are going to write. So what happened? This is the Reimer-Tiemann reaction. This should be an Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So this is actually C6H5 CHO. Both the compound, both these compound, both these compound have the molecular formula C7H6O2, molecular formula C7H6O2. That is, one is D, another is E, and the reaction is Reimer Tiemann reaction. So it is D and another is E. So now we have we got all this. This is A, and so what is B? B should be phenol. Obviously, B should be phenol. B should be phenol. This is B. So what happened? Now we gist down the problem. Hope you can write the actual problem in your copy. Please bring your notebook handy. So what is A? A is nothing but this is, that is aniline. What is B? B is phenol. What is C? Uh, C is NC, that is phenyl isonitrile. We can also write isocyanate. And what is D? D is the major product of Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So this is the major product of Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Uh, so this is D. So what happened? D. D is the para hydroxy benzaldehyde, and what is E? E should be the minor product of Riemann-Tiemann reaction, that is ortho product. It should be ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. So my dear friend, you can see here this problem actually, this type of problem contains various type of organic reaction, and here this problem contains the two name reaction. Basically one is carbylamine reaction, another is Riemann-Tiemann reaction. So if you have the thorough idea, if you want to gather the thorough idea through practice, then you should practice such kind of identification problem. So my dear students, hope you all enjoyed this class, and hope you all learned something out of this class. So please subscribe my channel, and if you do have any doubts, any questions, any asking, so please write down in the comment section. Okay, so till then we will meet again in the next class. Till then, goodbye, happy journey.